Ano ho ba ang parliamentary status ngayon so far sa Senado noong articles of impeachment na tinanggap ninyo noong Pebrero?
Bale, ang parliamentary status niya received by the Senate and then nakaschedule na for the reading of the articles. Originally June 2, lilipat sa June 11.
Opo.
Ang naging butas, nung original schedule ng June 2, merong kaakibat na June 3 convening of the court. Nawala yun eh. Sa paglipat nung June 2 event sa June 11, napansin natin na walang bagong schedule yung June 3 kasi dapat nalipat din yung June 3. So yun po yun. That is the parliamentary status na mag-appear. So number one, received na siya by the Senate. Okay, under the jurisdiction na siya of the Senate. Klaro na yun. Padala na ng notice si SP na House, magpadala na kayo ng prosecutor dito kasi babasahin na nila yung impeachment article sa June 2. Linipat sa June 11. So that is the status now as far as I understand the situation.
Okay, opo. And then dahil nga po dapat June 3, di ba? Yung pong reading of the articles of impeachment correspondingly. I'm sorry.
June 2 ang reading.
Opo, I'm sorry. Dapat June 2 ang reading of the articles of impeachment. Correspondingly, ito na din ba yung pong oath-taking ninyo as senator judges?
The following day ng umaga, ngayon sana yun.